This Makita lawnmower is configured as a professional product in the field of garden care. At the heart of the Makita is its power. Capable of delivering up to 3.2 kilowatts at 3,200 revolutions per minute, this lawnmower effortlessly handles extensive surfaces, guaranteeing impeccable results on over 950 square meters. Such performance is made possible by the 64-volt brushless motor, which, combined with an electronic cutting management system, maximizes the machine's performance, ensuring precision and speed in work. The Makita lawnmower also stands out for its versatility and robustness. Equipped with various cutting options, it allows for the collection of grass in a spacious basket, rear discharge, or use in mulching mode. Furthermore, its structure has been designed to withstand adverse weather conditions, ensuring reliability and durability over time. Complete with battery and charger, the Makita lawnmower offers an immediate and satisfying user experience, combining technology and practicality.